In macroeconomics, the welfare cost of inflation comprises the changes in social welfare caused by inflation. The traditional approach, developed by Bailey, 1956, and Friedman, 1969, treats real money balances as a consumption good and inflation as a tax on real balances. This approach measures the welfare cost by computing the appropriate area under the money demand curve. Fischer, 1981, and Lucas, 1981, find the cost of inflation to be low. Fischer computes the deadweight loss generated by an increase in inflation from 0 to 10% as just 0.3% of GDP using the monetary base as the definition of money. Lucas places the cost of a 10% inflation at 0.45% of GDP using N1 as the measure of money. Lucas, 2000, revised his estimate upward to slightly less than 1% of GDP. Ireland, 2009, extends this line of analysis to study the recent behavior of U.S. money demand.Structural models, or a recent alternative to econometric estimates of the triangle under an estimated money demand curve. Cooley and Hansen, 1989, calibrate a cash-in-advance version of a business cycle model. They find that the welfare cost of 10% inflation is about 0.4% of GNP.Craig and Rocheteau, 2008, argue that a search-theoretic framework is necessary for appropriately measuring the welfare cost of inflation. Lagos and Wright, 2005, model monetary exchange and provide estimates for the annual cost of 10% inflation to be between 3 and 4% of GDP. References